Hi, it's Chris. I bought Sue a second battery for her Radcity Step-thru 3, and now I got to find a place to mount it so we can carry it along on our trips. We've got saddlebags that mount to the side, but the bike frame has 4 machine screw holes in it, which I thought we could mount to. I want to make some kind of mount that will hold the battery kind of like this, but allow it to slide in and then lock with the key. I need to design and 3D print a mounting plate for the battery, something similar to the battery holder for the e-bike. And it has these little grooves on the side here that the battery slides into, and then there's a hole here where the locking bolt goes into. My 3D printer can only print about 24 centimeters, so I probably can't do this whole distance, but maybe I can make a bracket that goes down partially down this. Here you can see the locking mechanism. As you turn the key, the bolt comes out or goes back in. I sent an email to RAD Power asking about the dimensions of the rack and the bolt types, but I never heard back from them. Using my thread checker, it looks like it's an M5-0.8 bolt. For the distances, I'm just doing a rough check with my ruler. Looks like it's about 225 millimeters. Looks like it's 110 millimeters. The 4 machine hole screws are raised up a bit, and there's a bigger circle that's about 10 millimeters, and then around that it lays flat on the rack. So this is the design I came up with. So there's a flat panel that has cutouts for each of the bolts, and the reason they're cutouts is that I can't make anything longer on my printer. It's the biggest part size I can get. And on here there's a hole for where the deadbolt for the battery lock goes, and then I've got these cutouts here that I've done for the battery, so it should fit down and slide in. It's almost a 7-hour print job, so we'll see how well I did with my measurements. It appears that the rack is not quite square. One of the things, they're welded here. It looks like it's just off a little bit, so I'm gonna, in the next design, make the slot just a little bit wider so it has a little bit of adjustment. I also think in the next edition I'm gonna bevel this edge here. It also appears that my measurement for the deadbolt was off just a little bit, so it looks like I need to move it over a little bit. Maybe I could narrow it down here. Now the plate fits down and goes around this little emboss area. I widened the hole a little bit, now the deadbolt fits in. I've used stainless steel M5 bolts and fender washers on the 4 corners to hold it down. I was also thinking it'd be nice to have a battery mount on the wall for when I'm charging the batteries. So I put 4 holes in it so you could screw it into the wall too. Here's version 2 of the battery holder for the RAD City. I now have holes so you can screw it into the wall. I've beveled the edge and I've changed the location of the hole a little bit. I'll put the 3D printer models of version 2 up on the Prusa and Thingiverse websites.
So we hope this was helpful. If it was, hit like and subscribe and have a great day.